Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2007 150 series Hilux. It's the 4-litre V6 automatic. Just a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive job. Bit of a scrape down the side here. Fairly tidy car otherwise. Tonneau on the back there, it's in order. You can see the impact there down the side. It's got a tub liner in the back here. I'll just open that up for you and give you a look. Had that ready for you, there we go. Pop the tailgate. Right, tub liner, good cloth trim. Get the rags out of it. Had seat covers on, so it's been well kept. Pop the bonnet for you and we'll start it up. Here's our 1GR 4-litre V6 engine. Right, here we go. Getting there. The compliance plate over here. So you can see that. 200,000 Ks on it. We'll start her up. No taco on this. Very good engine. Okay, here for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call on 02 4646 1733 and the Parts Plus team will help you out. Thanks for watching and bye for now.